What do you guys think of the fit? Antisocial. Got the black 350s. She already know. All Saints jeans. You know, I got that Gucci belt. Let's go. Alright. What up, guys? I'm Gunner Turn the Easy God. You're tuned into a video right now that I'm just winging this shit right now. We're going to my studio. We're going to check out my studio tour. A lot of you guys have asked for that, so right now I'm in the house. And we're going to go get some coffee, and then we're going to head down to the studio. And we're going to check out all the RGB vibes and my computer setup, my bonnet setup, everything. Alright, so let's go to Duncan.
Spaceship, yeah. I'm a spaceship, yeah.
You're tuned into Easy God Radio.
Yeah, I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship, yeah. I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship, yeah. And you know that I'm on your girl's playlist, and she hate it. Yeah, you know she hate it. Yeah, I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship, yeah. I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship, yeah. And you know that I'm on your girl's playlist, and she hate it. Yeah, you know she hate it. Yeah, I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship, yeah. I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship, yeah. And you know that I'm on your girl's playlist.
Alright, feels good to have the shades back on now. Let me get this situated. Alright, welcome to the Easy God studio. I mean, you can see the vibes. We got tons of RGB in here. There's tons of sneakers. I don't really know where to start. I mean, this is like my stock here, some of it. I just have it on these like Husky shelves. Everybody's always asking me where I get these shelves from. They're from Home Depot. They're like $100 a piece. I use them all the time. I was using them in Turn Up Art and like a lot of different projects that I've done. I got a little mini fridge over here, printer for the shipping labels. My big thing is pretty much this shelf here. I should turn down. This is a shelf from IKEA, actually. A lot of people don't know this one though, because it's like a designer IKEA shelf. So that shelf's like $700, $800. You could deck it out. I got drawers on the bottom. I just got a bunch of sneakers on it, really. I'm always changing it up. This time I got like, you know, those across, a couple singles there, up top. And I got these LEDs that I put on the back here, so it doesn't come like that, but I wired this up with like tons of RGB. And then they also go to the music. So you've seen my IG videos where they're going crazy, flashing. I mean, we could do it right now, honestly. So this is always a good one. This is like the party trick. So when I talk, it's gonna go off, or if you hit something or you play music, they're just gonna go crazy. It's a good party trick. I mean, usually I have it on purple, or like, I mean, really I just have it on purple, honestly. And I got the same thing on my desk over here. And then I got this RGB light here. So this is like a video light, this one, by GVM, great video maker. I don't know. This is on Amazon. It does all different colors. Like you can turn this wheel and make it all different colors. Then I got this table. I mean, I built these desks. These are legs from IKEA, the telescopic, like stainless steel ones, and the tops from IKEA. I put them together. Like you pick them separately. Got some grails here. You guys know the vibes. Love those. Love these. I love these too, honestly. Lately, I've had this table just kind of like in the middle here, and I don't know, I just use it to like ship things. Like I put things down there and I ship them. I'm kind of always moving it around. Like I'll put it over there, I'll put it over there. It used to be at my house. I don't know, it's just always moving around. Then I got the casting couch here, so when the sneaker business falls and nobody cares to watch my videos anymore, I'll just start a porn channel or an OnlyFans and just use that couch. So that's what that's there for, pretty much. Then over here is where the magic happens. This is like my station. Like I got the computer I built. Like I built this whole thing. This is the NZXT case, like the Elite one. I added RGB fans to the back and the front and the top. I got the fancy NZXT cooler that like has the screen. It just goes through all your different settings. You could change the colors on this. Like I could have it go rainbow and whatnot. I got a GTX 980 Ti in there. I'm gonna upgrade that soon. It's got 48 gigs of RAM, an i9 9900K processor unlocked. It's the Maximus Hero 11 Wi-Fi motherboard. That's pretty much the main specs, I think, right? So that's like my most recent computer build. And then I have that PC hooked up to this 32-inch Dell monitor. That's a 2K monitor, and that's doing like 120 hertz. So I'll play Fortnite on here. This is what I stream off of. And then I use my iMac as well, but these are separate, 2 different computers. So, oh, and then I got my mic here, my mic stand, my chair. It's my steel case chair. This chair is like $800, $1,000 each. Really nice chair. They were in the Pratt incubator office where like I started one of my first businesses, and like the tables were kind of the same. I basically kind of copied it. I kind of like made my own version of it. But yeah, I really love these steel case think chairs. They're fire. And then I got my mic here. That's for the streams and stuff. Or even I use this for Fortnite too, and I use it for talking on Discord and stuff. So this is an Audio Technica AT2020. It's kind of for like making music and stuff. And I got the really nice Roland cord, the black gold one or something. And this arm stand is by Blue. I think it's called Compass or something. I don't know. It's a really nice mic arm stand. I like it a lot better than the other Crane ones. But this audio comes into this Focusrite Solo. I used to have a 2i2, but now I'm using the Solo because I really just run one mic, and then I run my monitors out of here, the Yamaha HS5s. I love these so much. Like those, like they look beautiful. They're professional quality. I mean, they are the best monitors. Like I'm buying them for my house next. Like they're so fire. So that's what runs all the audio here. My mic input and my speaker output. And then I got Beats headphones too, so I'll rock on stream with these like a lot of the time. And like that's kind of why I upgraded my computer, and I got the Hero 11 with the Wi-Fi because it had Bluetooth, and I really wanted to have a wireless headset for the streaming, so I did that. And then I got my Xbox controller here, which I plug in. I plug that in just with like the basic cable, you know, this like micro USB. I plug that in and I use it on the PC when I play Fortnite here. I just kind of kick back. But it's cool to play games here too, because like this is my mic for gaming. The Beats is my headset. I use an Xbox controller. So it really works out. I guess I'd show you, like I have this really crazy mount here for the monitor. It's like a heavy duty mount, but I really like it because it could be centered against the wall. It could tilt this way. It could tilt that way. I always sit here. There was a time where I was sitting there, but then I went back here because I don't like it over there, and it felt weird, so I had to come back here. But yeah, it's just good because you could do that. So then I got some boards. I got some skateboard decks up here. So the Supreme Lambo one, that's the Cactus Jack one, Travis Scott. Oh, and then my Elgato stream lights. Oh, not stream lights, key lights. They're really cool because you could control them on the computer. You could run like, they have some like application, and you could just like go crazy with them on here and change the brightness and stuff, change the color temperature and whatnot. So I have one in each corner. It's kind of like a baseball stadium type of lighting vibe, but I like it a lot. What else I got? I got my ticket from North Carolina speeding. I got my money gun. You already know. We're coming out with Yeezy God money gun soon. So I have this thing on deck all the time, always ready to go. I guess it's dead now. Of course it's dead now in the video. Boom. Always ready to go. What else? What else? I got my Yeezy Supply clock that I made here. A lot of people want me to restock that, so I think I will, but that's just fun. It says, Yeezy Supply is live, don't give up. Yeah, so that's like pretty much where I spend all my time is right there. Oh, I forgot to talk about the Stream Deck. Like, I got this Stream Deck here. This is like...
You're tuned into Yeezy God Radio.
This is what I use on the streams to control the screens. I have my sound effects.
Bricks.
I could like control the music here, the volume. Like I could shut off the Elgato lights. Like I could shut that off, turn it on with just this button. I can mute my mics. Like I programmed this whole thing to be how I want it to be. But that's pretty much what I use it for.
You're tuned into Easy God Radio.
That's plugged into the PC, so that's why it's like most of my setup is kind of really tied into the PC, honestly, now. And then the iMac I kind of just operate like for my emails and like I tweet from there and stuff. But I'm mainly on here in the Discord. You already know, Easy got Discord. Let's see what the vibes are like right now. It's looking pretty chill. Who's in here? D-Horn. Who else? Jacob M. Crickets. Alright, word. Shout out to Easy got Discord. You know, that's the family. We doing it. To the moon. To the moon. So I have this really cool view and it's like really big window. It's like a 12-foot window. It's hard to see right now with like the reflection and stuff. But it's like a Starbucks out there. It's nice. It's Long Island, suburbia. That's pretty much it, honestly. It's basically one room. I mean, I put a lot into this. This place was so different when I came here. Like, that was a kitchen, like, cabinets. Like, this was all kitchen cabinets and kitchen countertop. And it was brown. And there was, like, a printing press in here. There was no base molding anywhere. Like, I did, like, all this base molding in here. Painted, spackled, everything. Like as good as it needs to be, because it's still just a workspace. Got my mirror over here that I really like from IKEA. This mirror's done a lot for me lately. That's where I check my fit. If your office or your studio or your computer PC setup doesn't look like this, man, like it will. It will one day. Just keep grinding, keep saving money, keep investing in yourself. And just be smart about it. You know, I've done a lot of research to figure out what I need. I've bought a lot of things that I didn't need, and this is kind of like my streamlined setup right now. And I'm really pleased with it. There's probably a couple things I want to add. I kind of want to build another setup at the house, but this overall setup behind me is like, it's nearly $50,000 in equipment, you know, including the cameras and everything. Like that usually is mounted over there, so, but I'm using it for this, so that's not the case today. But it's a long time, man. It took me a long time to do this, years, and it's just kind of been a process. So this is meant to inspire you and show you what I'm using and where you can get things if you keep working hard. So that's going to be all for this video. Hit that like button if you want to see more videos from me. Hit that subscribe, because that's what inspires me to keep making these videos. And I'll see you on the next live stream. Peace.
Yeah, I'm ballin', moving, cruising on my spaceship.
You're tuned into Easy God Radio.
Yeah, and you know that I'm on your girl's playlist, and she hate it. Yeah, you know she hate it.
Hi.
Hey,
Oh,
cutie.
hey.
Hey.
I'm camera ready.
You are. I know. I knew that. I was like, damn, who's that hottie?
What, am I in the video?
Moving, cruising on my spaceship.